everybody, this is Hellllooooooo and today I will prepare my September bullet journal setup. This month I'm going a bit crazy, so I'm not using my watercolor to do something different and I'm gonna use my Starry Colors palette. Actually, I'm not gonna put lots of color, but I wanna add some little touches with it in the end. This month, I'm gonna change my setup a bit because in September, lots of you are gonna go back to school. Even me, I'm gonna start an online school, maybe share details with you later on. So I decided to change my setup a bit and make it more adjustable to the school life. Well, while we talk about the school and maybe all of us need a bit of motivation for the new semester, I thought that my theme can be a bit related to books, maybe like homeworks and office. I don't know. I actually wanted to go for books, but I a bit changed it and add some like bookshelves, the office tables and this kind of things. So let's get started with my first page. I'm gonna use my new roller that I'm super proud of and my Pilot pen to prepare my calendar. But I decided to do it a bit different, more like I wanted to adjust it to my theme. So it's gonna look like a bookshelf and all those little boxes gonna belongs to the days of the month. And on the sides, the empty places, I'm gonna put some books and some office supplies, whatever I'm like feeling like, to make it look a little bit more artistic than a simple calendar. As I told you, I'm coloring it with my Starry Colors from Karate and adding these gold touches around because I wanted to add some color. I didn't want to leave it like fully empty like this. But if you don't have those kind of paint, you can just use like one or two colors or just like brown kind of colors because it can match with this classic library look or whatever you feel like actually. But mine is gonna be goldish and it looks cute actually. So after I add my little touches on the page, I think this is good enough. I quite like it actually. It looks serious but funny in the same time. I don't know how it looks. It looks just nice and fun. And those boxes gonna be super useful during the month for me to put some notes, some reminders or like daily planning or whatever I need to. So let's jump on to the next page. On the left side of this page, I'm gonna put something related to school. So it's gonna be my homework section. And at the bottom of it, I'm gonna put my weekly class schedule to track down which day I'm busy, which day I have school, which classes, which day, etc, etc. I simply want to explain how I'm planning to use this section. The books on the top gonna belongs to classes. So for example, the first book gonna be belong to math. So I'm gonna color it to blue and write math inside this book. And then I'm gonna go to my weekly schedule on the bottom and I'm gonna find which day I have math classes and paint it on the blue. With the same logic, you can actually track down your homeworks also. You can just use the color codes on the homework so you will know which classes has homeworks and which doesn't. I don't know, I just think that it can bring a bit color in the calendar and it can make it easier to for you to realize your brain to be more accurate on what to do. Now I'm gonna jump onto the right side of the page and I'm gonna put my weekly planner here. By the way, it's gonna be a bit different than my usual weekly planner because I was thinking maybe I can use this weekly planner section for my homeworks also if the left side is not big enough or not working as I wish. So if you're having lots of homeworks, you can just switch this weekly planner section to homework section. So it's gonna look like a bookshelf with lots of books inside. Plan is the same actually. For example, at the first week, I have some homeworks from the math. So I'm gonna go this book, write down the homeworks detail and paint it to blue. So I will know which classes has this homework. And when I'm done with the homework, maybe I can come to this book and put a cross on it or recolor it. I don't know, whatever you feel like. I didn't put books everywhere. I left some empty places on the shelf. I will see during the month that if I need larger books or the smaller books or other stuff, maybe I won't have that much homework, hopefully not much. So I'm just gonna see that how it goes. Here I come to end of this page also. It looks good enough. So let's jump onto the other one. Here I'm gonna put my habit tracker that I always use. This month I'm gonna put 4 habits, but you can add more if you wanna follow more habits or help yourself to gain new habits. I'm gonna put these 4 and those are gonna be work, food, study and social. So it's more the days I work out, the days I eat healthy, and the days that I study, obviously, because I wanna do regular study thing. And one in the end is social. I'm not sure what I'm gonna mark there. Maybe self-care days, maybe days that I'm getting social, I'm going out. I'll see that how the months go and what I need to track down the most. Bottom of the habits, I wasn't sure what to put. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna need actually. So I just decided to put 3 big books thing that I saw on the Instagram and inspired from there because it was matching perfectly with my theme. And during the month, I'm gonna see if I need to note the things that I discover, maybe the musics that I listen the most, maybe the notes to myself, maybe some notes about school. I'm really not sure about it. I'm gonna see what is missing in this journal. I come to end of these sections also, so I'm jumping onto the right side. This is gonna be my YouTube kind of section that I'm gonna track down my creative works and the publishing on the YouTube. The top of it, I'm putting 2 empty boards. One is gonna be for my Turkish channel and the second one for the English, or maybe one is gonna be for the YouTube and the other one for the more creative works that I have beside YouTube. I'm not quite sure, but I think that empty place always can be useful. So bottom of those sections, I'm gonna put a kind of, not calendar, but the place that I can track down my publishing days is more or less, I'm gonna write down which video I'm gonna shoot and edit during the weeks and which video I'm gonna publish in the end of the week. So I publish on Saturday on my Turkish channel and Sunday on my English one. So those last two areas for those days, and the large area on the left side is just for write down the details. Well, I will see how it works, because I don't know if it's same for you, but when I prepare the section, sometimes it makes sense, and when I start to use it, it doesn't make sense at all, and sometimes I need it to be larger, or sometimes I need it to be disappear. So right now I'm playing a bit more secure, and I'm leaving more like empty gaps that I can fill out and adjust how I need it to be during the month. Well, I come to the end of the design of this page also. As you see, I always try to keep this office kind of look with the book details around. I hope you guys like the theme of the month and how I put my setup together, and hopefully you will find it useful. I'm wishing you good luck on your new semester. And please let me know what you're thinking of the video and the theme, and if you have any suggestion about which section to add on the next month, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna see you guys very soon on the next video. Ciao!